Hey, hello my beautiful audience, welcome again One Me School. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to work in RDP. So RDP means remote desktop protocol. So actually we use that for some unique work on server. So you can see that I already inputted my server URL, my administrator username and password here. So let's go to your Windows and type here remote desktop. So I'm gonna just type here R and you can see that remote desktop connection. So just click on that and you will see an interface like this one. You can see that the interface asking us server URL and username and password. So I'm gonna copy my server URL from Notepad, just copy that and paste here in remote connection. So just gonna copy and paste that, and let's click on the connect button and you can see that it's asking our password. So let's go to Notepad and I'm gonna copy my password here. So this is my password. I'm gonna copy and paste on the remote desktop. Just and hit on the remember button and then click on the OK button. That's it. You can see that it's connecting with my remote desktop. Just click on the yes button and you are done. So okay, I'm gonna type on the yes and you can see here remote desktop connecting. So we need to wait a few seconds and you can see that I already opened my RDP or remote desktop protocol. So that's it. Now we can work on that. That's our unique device here. So that's the videos for today. If you like my videos on RDP and if you want a video that's kinda, you can comment below. I will make such videos for you. So guys, thanks once again. Stay tuned with One Me School and do subscribe, hit on the bell button. Alright, goodbye.